Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Today we are sharing the most beautiful and trendy crochet baby dress designs and patterns perfect for newborns, infants and toddlers. Let's get started. Let's begin with the classic frock style baby dresses. These are sleeveless or short sleeved and made using double crochet, shell stitch or fan stitch. They often start from a long yoke at the neck and open up in a flared skirt. Pastel color like baby pink, sky blue, soft yellow, and white are commonly used, and a ribbon at the waist or tiny buttons at the back for a perfect finish. Next, we have lace pattern baby dresses, light, airy, and elegant. These use open stitches like V stitch, mesh stitch, or pineapple design for a fancy look. Ideal for birthdays, photo shoots, or special occasions, the dresses often includes scalloped edges or frilly sleeves. Soft cotton yarn in pink, purple, and creams gives the best results. Another trending style is the granny square baby dress. This design is made by joining colorful granny squares together to form the top or skirt part. You can mix and match yarn shades. Great for using leftover yarn. These dresses look playful and are perfect for casual wear gifting. Add crochet flower or appliques for a creative touch. Let's also talk about Sundress style crochet baby dress is sleeveless, open neck, and perfect for summer. Most of these have a simple body with decorative stitch patterns on the skirt. Colors like mint, coral, lemon, and light gray are popular of the style. They are quick to make and look adorable when paired with baby booties or a matching headband. So these were of some sweetest and most stylish crochet baby dress patterns you can try. Let us know in the comments which design do you love in the most. And if you want step-by-step tutorials for any pattern, just tell us. We will bring it you. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with the crochet lovers. See you in the next video. Always happy crocheting.